kitchen.
See, I remember this as being bigger because I had visualized the monstrosity here. Karen.
It could go there, yeah.
And,
It could easily go there.
and my little table here.
It could go there, Mom. And then there's a really nice balcony. I think that's one of the things I like a lot about the E unit. So that would be east. Well, kind of that way. And then, can we open this?
Mm-hmm.
Be careful, there's nails and screws and all kinds of stuff. They're very
This is such a nice balcony, though.
It's a lovely balcony.
So this is the afternoon, so you wouldn't get sun in here,
Mm-hmm.
but it's still bright. And you
It's very
don't look into
private.
anybody's apartment.
It's very private. Nobody's looking into you. So
Yeah.
nice.